Part 6. Construct triangles. You will find this on page 236 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Construct triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. We can construct a triangle using a pair of compasses and a ruler and a protractor. If sufficient information is given, there must be 3 facts known. Okay, so if the 3 facts is given 3 sides, let's look at an example. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is 3, BC is 4, and AC is 2 centimeters. It's a good practice to draw a sketch of ABC before constructing it. So just make a rough sketch and just fill in all the information. Okay, draw a line segment longer than 4 centimeters. So first make your line segment. Use a compass open to 4 to mark off points C and B. So basically we just put it there, we stretch it on the ruler to 4 and we mark and put the needle on the other side and mark, and then this will be exactly 4. Okay. So place the sharp point on point C there and stretch the compass to 2 centimeters. So, and then just make an arc. Okay. And then the point of, place the 2 centimeters, describe an arc to cut the first arc. So basically, we will first stretch it on, so you first put it on B, and then you stretch it 3, and then you put it at B and you make an arc. And then you stretch it to 2 and you put it at C and you make an arc. And where they intersect, that is the point A. And then you just draw a straight line to C and a straight line to B. And this is then your accurate drawing of this triangle. And do not erase the construction lines or the arcs. Okay, let's look at an example. I just want to see if it's a little bit bigger. We are going to use this. So this is 4.466 and 7. Yes, I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 6 number 2. You can stop it, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Let's start. Try now 6. Okay, now it's always a good practice to first just make a rough sketch. Construct triangle ABC. Okay, so let's just make our rough. I'm just going to, doesn't matter how it looks. And this is going to be A, and this is going to be B, and this is C. With AB is 44 millimeters, okay, or 4.4 centimeters. BC is 66 millimeters or 6.6 centimeter, and AC is 79 millimeters or 7.9 centimeters. Okay, now I think we're going to take the ruler and we're just going to put it that it is exactly in a straight, then it's better to work with. Okay, now we always start with the bottom one, so we leave a space and then we do the bottom one. But just to do that, let's just first draw a line. Okay, now I'm just going to draw a line. Okay, it can be longer than 6. Now, I just want to, this was actually this one that I wanted to move a little bit. And, okay. So, there is my line. Now, I'm going to take my compass, my ruler. If I can just move it. I'm just going to stretch it a little bit longer. Okay. Now, this one, bring it there. Must be actually 0, is good. But it doesn't matter. Put it exactly the needle on that and stretch it to 6.6. Now 6.6 is 6. There's 6.5. Can you see there is 6? We can even move it a little bit down to see if we are correct. So there on the dot. Okay. So basically, I'll now take the ruler. We can just control because it moved. It looks still correct. Okay, now just to mark that first one, and we did it in previous sections, it's almost like we just make a line, and then basically we move this one around without stretching it. We put it on this side, and then just be a little bit upper. And this is nice, it's showing you the line. Okay, but yours will not do that. So, okay, so this is going to be, and I can write it in now, this is going to be B. And this is going to be C. Okay, now I'm going to take again my compass, and again my ruler, and now I'm going to put it on 4.4. Okay, I'm going to just turn it around again so that I have the needle there. And then I put it there. And it's 4.4. Oh, now this one don't want to become smaller. So this is now a problem. You don't want to go smaller than 4.4. So I have to do adjustments. Sorry. It's just for explanation's sake. So I'm just going to make this 5.4 because I think that will work. So it's just mine. You don't have to, but this is going to just be 5.4 mine. And it's just because of my compass. Okay, so it's 5.4. So let's just stretch it again. Okay, now remember, let's just check. And it's exactly 5.4. Okay, so bring it back. Oh, bring it again. Don't stretch it. Bring it here. Put the needle there at B. And I'm going to put it around. I just want to keep it to red. Okay, now I'm going to make this arc. Okay, I'm first going to just, I'm going to make it a little bit longer because sometimes it don't intersect. But if it's a little bit longer, it will definitely intersect. Okay, so now I bring again my ruler back, and now it's going to be 7.9. Now, luckily 7.9 is a nice one. So let's just move it again. And it's 7 point, okay, I'm just moving it. Oh, this ruler disappearing every time. Okay, so let's just go to that. I'm stretching it here. So it's 7.9, I think approximately, but we cannot work on approximately. We must be accurate. So basically, I'm just putting this again, and we must stretch it to 7.9 on the dot. Okay, then we can bring it down, and now again we have to put it, and it's showing you it's 7.9. Oh, this is nice technology. Okay, so put it there at C. Okay, so basically I'm just going to move, and luckily it's cutting, so, and I just draw my arc. Okay, and then basically all that I do now, remove all these instruments, bring back the ruler, turn the ruler a little bit. Okay, let's just, I think I'm going to keep it first there, and then turn it here. Okay, so there. and turn it there. Okay, and then I just basically going to connect these points. And let's just do this, and it's basically just doing this. And then take the ruler again, move it to the other side, move it around. And then take again that and just from there to that point. And then you can take your ruler away. And then you can just mark that point, and that will be point A. And there you constructed a triangle if 3 sides were given.